Did you know that 90% of startups fail, with legal issues being one of the main reasons? But here's the good news. Unlike market conditions or competition, your legal setup is something that you can control from day one. So it can be an opportunity for you, not an issue. My name is Franzi, and I am here to show you how a smart legal process can help you and your startup. After years of experience as both a lawyer in law firms as well as an in house counsel in corporate, I have realized that the traditional legal service often does not meet the individual needs of today's startup. So you need more than just reactive problem solving. You need a strategic partner who understands your business, who wants to help and support you develop your business, and stands behind the mission together with you. Think of legal health like personal health. Most of us go for routine checkups not because we are sick, but to catch any potential issues early enough so we stay healthy and prevent illnesses. The same is true for your business. Waiting for legal problems is a risk that can be avoided. And here are some key areas where early legal planning can make a huge difference. IP, number one. Startups often neglect securing their IP early enough, only to find that competitors have moved faster than you or in the direction of your ideas. Register trademarks, secure copyrights, and have a confidentiality agreement in place from the start. Of course, your patent is also very, very important if you are already at that stage. Number two, clear contracts. Whether it's with clients, employees, vendors, partners, incomplete contracts can lead to disputes. Make sure that your contracts are clear, concise, and cover the essentials like payment terms, deliverables, and dispute resolutions. Of course, also the confidentiality part can be a part of your contract. Regulatory compliance, especially if you are in a regulated industry such as finance or pharma, it's very important to know the essential rules to avoid fines, to avoid attracting negative attentions by authorities, or even an operational shutdown, like worst case scenario. So check local, state, and industry regulations before launching and have compliance protocols in place and regularly update also your website and see if it's still compliant because law can sometimes be fast and change. The fourth point being liability protection. You might assume you won't need liability protection until you're big enough, but this can be a costly mistake for you and your business. Having the right insurance liability clause and also business structure, very important in place, can help to protect you and your personal assets. Each of these areas form a basic layer of security for your business. It can be the base of your business to really start to grow and scale your business confidently and even go into international markets. That is not just about avoiding problems, it can really provide you with benefits. So, what are those benefits that a good legal structure can give you? It give you the peace of mind for you and your family are protected from personal liability. Very important, don't underestimate it. Especially if you have legal as your, yeah, I know that I have to do it, but it's not my priority. You will feel very at ease if you know everything is in place. Number two, credibility. Don't underestimate it. A solid legal setup builds trust with clients, partners, and especially investors. It really makes a difference if your website, if your contracts seem or even are professionally. Cost savings. Prevention is cheaper definitely, than to react to damages, to disputes. So, addressing legal essentials early can really save you money instead of losing money. And, like I already mentioned, growth support. If your legal structure is secure and good, expanding or attracting bigger investment or partnership becomes way easier. So you see, these aren't just technicalities, they really impact your business success and stability. So here's some straightforward steps that you can take now to start build a robust legal foundation. Number 1, inventory of your legal needs. So list out key areas specific to your business, such as maybe IP, maybe you already have customer contracts, and assess where you might have gaps. Number 2, educate yourself on the basics. Even if you are not a lawyer, and I know law doesn't seem very interesting, a basic understanding of legal terms and requirements can really help you make informed decisions. There are so many resources available, so many courses available, especially for startups and founders to understand the basics. So you can also have confident negotiations with partners that feel like at eye level. Invest in preventive legal help. This might mean a one-time consultation to set up your business structure on the right setup, or it can also mean ongoing legal support for contract management. Really think of legal support as an investment that will save you money and help you grow over time. And the last tip, create a risk management checklist. So really document your process to make sure that legal compliance updates happen regularly. Sorry, I repeat again. Document your processes to make sure that legal and compliance updates happen regularly. This helps you as your business grows, especially with scaling internationally, or if you take on new hires, if you take on new founders into your team. Really, documentation is key. Don't forget it. So, these steps aren't about turning you into a lawyer, really. They are meant to empower you to make smart legal choices and protect yourself and your business. So if you need some help with that, and if you are ready to set up your legal foundation, feel free to go in the description and book a free call with me. Pitch me your vision, and I'm happy to support you on your mission. And I am also happy to invest as a business angel if you are interested in that and if I am interested in your business. So, just a short disclaimer. I'm not a YouTuber, I don't have the professional setup, and this is my very first YouTube video. I'm just a lawyer who wants to help you and your startup to get your legal foundation in order. So please be kind, and if you would like to, you can of course let me know in the comments what you would like to know, what kind of videos you would like me to add to my list with a focus on legal foundation of startups, maybe angel investment or any other kinds of investments. One of my key areas that I love to talk about is also insurance, contracts, liability, especially in an international context, anything you like. My focus areas are, for example, life science, but also finance and other super regulated areas.